Hi, welcome to the Learn with Sue channel, and today we're going to talk about how to download and save an image that's inside a Google Doc. So for example, this is a JV doc and you might want to use these in your email and you're not sure how to download them, because if you just click on it, it doesn't really give you any download options here. So this is the way that I have been doing it. So we want to click on it and then just right click with your mouse and you'll see view more actions. Then come here where it says save to keep. So you want to open up, and now this is going to keep it inside your Google account. So it's going to open it up on this side here. And you'll see it just takes a couple of seconds here. And then you'll see it's going to show up in here. So there we have that one. So if you want to do the same with this one, click on it, right click with your mouse, view more actions, save to keep, and it's going to show here. And then from here you just click on it and save image as, and it's going to save onto your computer. So you just find your download folder and then you save it there. So that's how we save an image straight out of a Google Doc. So I hope you found that helpful. If you have any other questions that you'd like me to answer, please let me know. And be sure to subscribe to my channel to keep on getting more tips and tricks for your business. Thank you again. And this was Learn with Sue.